Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change chat theme Instagram. We start by opening Instagram and entering the conversation that we want to personalize. Then click on the user's name at the top. Here we will see the theme option and click on it. Afterwards, we will see a list of options to customize the topic of the conversation and click on the one we want. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.